Hi, I'm Josie Marin, and I play Mia in Need for Speed Most Wanted.
Attention Patrol Division, we have reported at least one mobile Code 6 driver followed by police.
I need all available units on this. Get them going. Code 3.
Remaining units, be advised, vehicle wet BCB. Quadrant should be set up in the surrounding area.
Hey, there's something wrong with your ride. You left a huge oil slick at the start line. You have to end the race fast.
Looks like you got a street race here. Alert the district.
Police units are engaged in a high-speed pursuit of multiple suspect vehicles. Members 10-8 directed to head up to the area.
Yeah, these guys are splitting up. Let's go. We need more units. back and give this guy some room.
Well, look what the underground let loose. Let's see how good you do in the daylight. Good run. I like your style. Just make sure you watch your back with these guys, alright? See you around.
What's up, poser? I'm glad you're putting it down out there, I really am, because I can't wait to get a crack at that ride. What? Didn't anybody tell you? You gotta put your ride on the line to run against a blacklist, sir, and that is why people aren't stupid enough to do it. I'll be waiting.
members, officers are attempting to stop multiple vehicles involved in a high-speed chase. Comm Center has patched this through to TAC-3.
Dispatch request. He rammed me. Not sure I can continue pursuit. That's out of units for containment. I lost them. I need a 1083.
Remaining units, be advised, vehicle wet BCB. Squadron should be in the surrounding area.
Hey, there's something wrong with your ride. You left a huge oil slick at the start line. You have to end the race fast.
Hey, do your thing. Hey, fresh out the house. First things first, it's time to shake, grand the 8th round. Box battle will break down with a beat in the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, Este where yes, I know. The red beam vaccine, that red beam put them up. You pluck the red seed off the walls.
So you found it all right. What do you think? You can store your ride here. Consider it your safe house.
Listen. I am right, it ain't no breaking me. I am right, ain't no shaking me.
Come on, you want it, come on, you want it, you want it, come on, you want it, SOB, you ain't never seen nothing so rugged at 90, with the cops behind me up, your boy is grimy, keep the cuffs, enjoy your donuts, sir, you ain't gonna find me, it's not likely to chasing a ghost with no slow down, 100 proof octane, ready to stop playing, I'm hot man, give me that pink slip. Time's up, the animals crept through, leave them in the dust with a packet of jet fuel, too quick, get them up, better for pet food, no brain, so lame, missing your head screws, hot skin and bones left, spinning chrome set, tricked out, hopping like a cruise in the cone jets, pop your ego with a safety pin, take the back seat and let the games begin, yeah. Get ready, get set, let's roll. Roll rubber, independent petrol. Red, yellow, hit green, and gold. Breathing slow. Come on, man, you can't be real. I'ma show you what it is at the end of build. Shine, shifter. Put the pedal to the metal and go. Tough match, you lost by a hubcap. The big boss spray painted on my mud flap. Get a rush, yeah, we calling it cold bluff. We never get enough. Strap in, hold your breath and hang tight. Known for the big dollar bet in the key. Playing with the sharks inside. Every Everybody on your mark, get set, now let's ride. That's right. Put the pedal to the metal and go. The yellow Modelo with slicks on, sending them home. Stick claws in the concrete, gripping the road. So quick, even the palm trees look out low. Got car keys hooked to remote controls. Hit a button that'll smoke any whip you won't. I told you, I don't wanna close your head. Quick now before you go blowing the gasket. Get ready, get set, let's roll. Roll, in the bit of petrol. Red, yellow, hit green and gold. Breathing slow. Shifter! Come on, man, you can't be real. I'ma show you what it is at the end of the bill. Shine, shifter!
Attention Patrol Northeast. We're receiving... All units monitoring. We have multiple 911 reports of speeding vehicles last seen eastbound on Campus Way. Units to clear and head up.
Can you give me more info on that call? Log me onto that call. I'll head up that way for you.
face turns pale. Try to deal with these thoughts. At the end of it all. At the end of it all. At the end of it all. At the end of it all.
Attention to 3. We just received a report of a Code 6 vehicle eastbound on Hollis Boulevard. Units in the area to head up.
Dispatch, Bravo, 3-1. 1096, as soon as I catch up, they'll come.
10-4, go ahead.
Vehicle's taking off, code 3 pursuit. 1085, I need a hand over here.
Copy, Bravo 3-1. I've got ground units clearing up and en route.
I'm having a problem here. Just hope. Yeah, I got a problem with the car, just shut down, I need cover. I'm in need containment, vehicle got away.
Units on the pursuit. For your information, vehicle was last seen eastbound on State Street. Call us still code 6, switch over to... Bravo 27, we got a 1073 up southeast to suspects last...
Charlie 18. I'm clear that other call. About to do a check on a vehicle which just blew by me.
I've got you now, go ahead.
It's our guy. He's making a run for it. Code 3. Dispatch 1085. Code 6 not complying. I need a hand with him.
Copy, Charlie 18. Detailing units now.
Alright, I've had it. I'm driving this guy off the road. I need all available units on this. Get him going now. Code 3. Suspect can't keep it on the road. I don't think he's going to be a problem. He's probably to the hospital. Stand by. I'm backing off to give us some room here. Just ramp some traffic. 1025, unit down. Send another car. Dispatch, can I get forward units to set up a routine 1073?
That's a 1010, Charlie 18. You have to stand by on that request. Multiple units detailed at this time on priority calls.
Dispatch, I need my roadblock started. Place your sideswiping me, stand by. Dispatch, get everything you got over here. We're code 3, I'm gonna lose him.
10-4, Charlie 18. I've got ground units clearing up and en route.
Starting up toward the pursuit. I need all available units on this. Get them going code 3.
2 minutes away. They are code 3. Hang in there. Charlie 18. Please provide a situation report. 5-1 requesting update.
Still on them, no change. Echo 12, just parallel to your chase. I'm trying to get ahead now. I'll be showing those units. Stand by. Your units on containment. I lost my target.
Units on the pursuit call. Suspect was last seen heading eastbound past Heritage Heights. Supervisor confirms quadrant should be set up. Units to reference their GPS for position.
Dispatch, this is 2-4. I'm with 2 other units. Estimate 3 minutes. Dispatch, Sierra Nate, hold on.
These guys, code 6 driver badges, entry provided by District 3. Further details available on your screen. Caution.
Vehicle lost. Minimum time delay. Can't be far.
Remaining units, be advised, vehicle went BC, heading east past Heritage Heights. You have a green light to go ahead and set up a containment.
Ashes to 12, I'm on that roadblock set up east of his last 020.
Be advised, units are directed to go mobile. Suspect info on your PDT.
started. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wish y'all get it, ain't hard to call it. I see some of y'all thirsty for it. Straight front of y'all when it comes down, talking mad dog, I'm a workaholic. Wish y'all get it, ain't touches. Every enemy within my clutches. Black bringing that ruckus, and I'm putting that lean on all you suckers. Fly, your bone crushes, every opponent suffers. Your tone hushes from punches, dumping like percussion. No time for life or nothing. You don't want to try to touch them. No competition, listen, it ain't open for discussion. How you want it, want it, come on, you want it. How, come on, you want it, how you want it, come on, how you want it, come on, you want it, how you want it, how you want it, come on. We got to get started, we got to get started, yeah, we got to get started. Come on, you want it, come on, you want it, come on, you, come on, you, come on. My sound, trenches, each other file, senses in holy shot, value of electrified, fences you mortified, pressurized, best to ride, we slide in through the next dimension, time to exercise, knives, your spine, tangle thoughts, mingle waters, lines sting you, it's tricks on your state of mind, somebody's watching you, just look alert alive, cause only one survive, no use of lying to yourself and standing eye to eye, you want it, come on, you want it, come on, you want it, how you want it, come on, you want it, come on, you want it, how you want it, yo, we got to get started, we got to get started, we got to get started, come on, we got to get started, we got to get started, we got to get started, get started. Every opponent suffers. Your tone hushes from punches, dumping like percussion. Don't hop like a nothing. Either one don't try to touch him. No petition, listen, this ain't open for discussion. How you want it, come on, you want it, come on, you want
it. Yo, stomping, shaking, necks breaking, earthquake. Let's move. Battle, we got nothing to prove. Let's move. Facts, one supply people with the groove. Let's move.
Hard tracks remind me of blacks with attacks. These are facts. Drowning in the swamp like Artax. Boston the fear facts. Chill, watch Miramax flicks. Then I start to get sick. Hail drop. Take 39 like the Hail Bob. 4 teachers, 1 meal. Cop. Then the atmosphere will get real hot.
Never gonna stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back, I see it. Never let the money stop with me. I'ma never stop hollering at the sense chill. And the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go. Can I say something? Go, and the two, you and I, and the sense go. Hey, homie, you don't wanna get familiar with us. Nigga, no, but you would give me and my to rush. I'm sick of all you unfortunate supposed to be in bed with telling stories about your life when I was not how it was. Yeah, I'm sure cause back in the days with them back in you when you was out there getting paid with the pay with you get the when you're hitting the days it's not your beat. Go. Yeah, you know I'm from the know you, but you do not know me. When I ball and big it down for you, do not homie. You don't wanna know what I've been thinking of. You better go ahead on and find you another spot to chill, cause I've been dipping dust. We see a light and everything ain't great. It's like everybody mind is in the same old state, you know? new. I quit his revenues, I'ma tell you 4 nigga things I'ma never do. Never gonna stop trying to get it. 2, never turn my back on my city. 3, never let the money through the with me. I'ma never stop hollering at the sense chill. And the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go.
size up. Everybody getting sized up.